English Bilingual Education Summer Institute here at the Clare Center.
That's right.
Woo, finally. We are home.
Good morning. Hello. So before we start, I want to mention 2 housekeeping items that we have. The first is I need to make sure that everybody signs in when you leave. Up there by the door, there's a sign-in sheet, so please do make sure your name is on it, because we need to know that you're here.
And our camp rules are that if we can't find you, we need to actually be able to find you. So please do sign up so we know where you are. And with the ramp,
The upper LRC area.
so go to the LRC area. There's an actual ramp there. And I want you to put down some ideas for next year when you come back as to some community support, community service ideas. So then we can collaborate as a community. So we're open to these ideas. Right now, those papers on the wall are completely empty. So
Maybe we'll have to use them for toilet paper, huh?
that's an idea. Okay, so you can do that throughout the day.
Yes, please do put your ideas there on those sheets. All day, what we're going to do here is our ASL and English Institute, the Bilingual Institute. And what we have here is we want to first explain the purpose of today's meeting. We're going to review our school's mission and belief statements. Why are we here? What have we developed together? What, in 2010 it was when we developed those new statements? Really now we're in the middle of our accreditation process, so we're 4 years through, and in 4 years we're going to need to do the entire process again. So we want to review those statements that we've created. Then we're going to talk about our action plan. And this is a very big part of it, the ASL and English Bilingual Institute. And student development, so our bilingual approach that we have, and the agenda for the day. Okay?
Now, the purpose of the day is that we really do want to get together as a community, MSSD and the Clare Center, and Kendall, meaning the Clare Center, to talk about the bilingual approach. Within the Clare Center, meaning Kendall and MSSD, we can't do this in silos. We have to do this together as both entities coming together to see what the bilingual approach will look like in each setting. So we'll talk about that today.
Nice.
We'll also have opportunities to dialogue. Remember, this is a camp environment. We want to be in the woods with the sun shining down on us, and at night to be able to look at the stars and to gather around the campfire. So we'll be talking about what trainings might look like, find foundational policies, and have a good discussion about that. We want to develop some common standards as to what ASL English bilingual education would look like. So this is your opportunity. Let's take this opportunity and enjoy ourselves, okay?
How many of you really know our mission and belief statements? Raise your hand if you really do know them. I see maybe half of you, only around half. Some people aren't really sure about it. So before we move on, I do want to show you videos about our mission and belief statements. One mission is for the video, the second is for the belief statement. And I want you to keep in mind that, again, we're here to talk about bilingual education with ASL and English together. So please do watch these videos with that in mind. Remember that our mission and belief statements are for MSSD and Kendall, and the Clare Center does have their own statement, but we're here focusing today on Kendall and MSSD for the schools this morning.
Okay, now we'll go ahead and look at our mission statement.